Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will discuss about how to update the salary. We have the certain data which includes the employee ID column. We have the employee name column in which we have the name of certain employees, and we have this salary of the employees. We have another sheet which includes the revised salary of the employees, and we have also given the employee ID whose salary need to be revised. So we simply need to replace the salary with the employees whose ID is given. So how we can replace the salary of certain employees? We first simply insert a new cell or new column. In the column, you can write the heading like revised salary or update salary. I write here revised salary, in which I will insert the salary of the revised employees policy. Now I use here the VLOOKUP function, so I use equals to VLOOKUP bracket open. In the lookup value, it says lookup value, so we select the employee cell in the lookup value and comma. It says table array, so we go here in the revised salary and select the whole table as a table array. Then after completing our second task, then comma, it says column. We need to revise the salary, and the salary is in the third column, so we write here 3. After writing the 3, we write comma and then 0 for the exact match. But before closing the VLOOKUP function, we need to make the constant to the table array. So we select the whole table array reference and press F4 to make it constant. To make it constant, we get the dollar symbol, and after inserting the dollar symbol in the reference, the values will be constant and it will not change. Now we need to drag it down to apply the same formula below, and here you can see we got the salary of the employees. Now we select the whole columns, and in the home tab we need to choose the filter option, and after selecting the filter option we can uncheck the select all and check the not available, and in this data we get the employees whose salary need not to be revised. Now if we need to find out the employees whose salary is revised, so we uncheck not available, and this is how we get the revised salary of the employees. Now we need to replace the salary, so we simply use here equals to, and in the equals to we simply need to select the revised cell and press enter, so we get the revised salary of the employees. Now we simply need to drag it down, so the same function will apply here. This is how we get the revised salary. Now to make the values constant, what we need to do, we need to again select the whole row and clear the filter option, and after clearing the filter option we need to select the whole columns to make it constant. We need to copy the values, and after copying we again right click and paste values to make the values constant. This is how we have made the values constant. Now we delete the revised column. This is how we have replaced the values of the certain employees. Now we can cross check our data with the revised salary as well. You can see here in the revised salary we have 1001 employee Mark whose salary is 5,000. Now we check in our main data, 1001 employee Mark has the same salary. This is how you can update the revised salary.